Welcome everybody. It's the first day of Mountain Creek. Let's go get our season pass.
It was gifted to me at the office. They were like, "Oh, you're not."
Boom, boys and girls, we got our pass. Now we just gotta wait for Duncan to get out potty. Duncan.
Hey, Dustin.
God, we're all waiting on you, bro.
You waiting for me?
Oh, there he is. Duncan, are you ready?
Let's go, bro.
All right, let's go get suited up. You got your pass? All right, Dunk.
Dude, it's opening day, baby.
Let's do it. Ah!
Need all the help, dude. You excited?
Absolutely.
Awesome.
I just did my first run.
Here you go.
Heck yeah. Thanks.
Yeah, have fun out there.
Will do. Phew. First day. Let's go, boys and girls. Thanks for all your hard work. All right. Meow.
Hey man, how the hell you doing? I've been just fine living life with the news and in my mind, all I hear is music. Watching your
Oh, just so good.
I feel like everyone's a stranger. Small talk with your narcissistic neighbor. She's real hot, but they said you never date her.
This fight live.
Green, but you did, and I hate her. You wanna get away? You
Oh,
better
smooth and buttery, baby. Wow. Well done, crew. Holy shenanigans. Woo. Oh, I'm losing going. Oh. Oh, this is always a big jam. Oh.
Hey man, can I get a favor? Yeah, sure, hot, no, see you later. Sometimes I just
Woo.
wanna be a hater.
Bro. So fun. Oh, he's on that way. I found that friggin' hole. It is so loose. Get out here. Oh yeah. Oh god, that is so good. Oh god, really? This thing is terrifying. You! Four.
Can you move this wheel over? Close. There you go. Girlfriend.
Yeah, boys. You have fun?
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta
Why do we always have to start in a bad gear?
Do what you think is right. It's your life, do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see.
Yeah,
Knew it
boy.
from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this
Wow.
pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go.
Me and Duncan out here for some lunch. Duncan's eating some jello with, I think, tangerines or oranges in there.
What's yours?
Tempest is one of my favorite trails here at Mountain Creek. It's fast, flowy, tons of jumps and drops. Let's go check it out. All right. Slight pedal in here. Go up with a drop. We got a nice little jump here.
Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me. Turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me.
Oh, they definitely dial that in a little.
It's bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me. Cause she got a bad little waist. And we tearing down
Wow.
the off the liquor that we chase. Casamigos to the face, baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a
technique is
taste. And I'll
really
show you
fast.
how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine. Like so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on her tight frame. All game, no shame. Baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine.
Right?
Got a fine little body and her mind's kinda naughty. They say that once you taste it, you cannot replace it. She could get you high, all the dopamine inside triggers fast once she's naked. Her body's a creation. They say the devil made her for his entertainment, but even he couldn't learn how to contain it. Her high heels make a damn good statement. There is no replacement, a body by Satan. She got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase, got some egos to the face, baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on her tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came
Oh, she's inside.
addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine.
Wow. Yeah. Oh my god. Wow, dude. Yeah. There's a crusher.
Bro,
Duncan's getting out of here. Everyone tell Duncan to come back to the channel.
Dude.
Really fast.
I'm coming back ASAP.
Okay.
That was so fun shredding with you, bro. I really appreciate
Yeah, bro.
you getting me out here today.
Heck yeah. Heck
What
yeah.
a day, dude. You're
Be-
too much fun to fucking ride with. You stop being so much fun.
Go check out Beast House Media, everybody.
Stop being such a good time, you
Ah.
motherfucker.